Hello, dears. Now we'll go to the second section of our lesson, which is revision for the present continuous. Our second section is regarding a summary, and it is formed as a chart to remember some important points. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the uses, and here we have a couple of uses. Number one, show something is happening at the moment of speaking, and examples regarding it. She is reading now. He is teaching grade 6 at the moment. Another use or another function for the present continuous, it shows something that is going to happen in the future. So this is the future plan or plans for future. Examples: they are going on a school trip next week. We are going shopping tomorrow morning. Let's now go to the formation. How can I form a sentence in the present continuous form? The verb to be, which are am, is, are, regarding the subject that we have, plus the ing form of the verb. So the verb adding to it ing. And here are some examples regarding the formation. She is sitting in the classroom. What is she doing? She is reading a book. What are we doing? We are eating breakfast. Let's take a look at the spelling rules. If I have a regular verb, I just add ing to it, such as read, reading, play, playing, talk, talking, laugh, laughing, cry, crying, visit, visiting, eat, eating. Another spelling rule, take away final E. It means if I have a verb and it ends with an E, we omit the E and we add ing, such as make, making, write, writing, use, using, have, having, drive, driving, phone, phoning. The last rule regarding spelling, after one vowel plus consonant, we double the consonant. This rule means that if I have a verb and it ends with a consonant and it was preceded with a vowel, we double the consonant and then we add ing. So run becomes running, swim, swimming, sit, sitting, put, putting, stop, stopping. This was our summary regarding the present continuous, and now we'll move to take a couple of exercises and see if we understand what we were talking about. So exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with the appropriate tense of the verb given in the brackets. And here you have to remember the uses in order to know how to solve this exercise. Number 1, he in USA at this moment. And we have the verb work. He takes is and the verb work, king. Sentence number 2, I write a story this weekend. The verb is write. So here I have to say am writing. And you have to notice that we omit the E from the verb and we added ing. Sentence number 3, we Not go is the verb to Japan this month. We, it takes are, we are, and we have it in the negative form. Not going to Japan this month. Sentence number 4 is a question and the subject is she. So we have to put is she, and we have the verb read magazines for the time being. So here we will answer it with reading. So the sentence will become, is she reading magazines for the time being? We have the keyword the time being. Another question, but now the subject is you, so we have to add are. You, the verb is learn, it will become learning. English right now, and we put learning because we have the keyword right now. The last sentence, the children not have fun today. Today is the keyword for the present continuous, and the sentence has to be in the negative form. The children are plural, so we have to put are not having fun today. The children are not having fun today. Now we go to the second exercise. We have sentences in a chart, and we have to complete this chart regarding to the form that we have. The first sentence is in the interrogative or in the question form. We have to make it in the affirmative form and then in the negative form. So in the interrogative or the question form, is Sammy studying Italian? In the affirmative form, it will become Sammy is studying Italian. In the negative form, Sammy isn't studying Italian. Let's go to the second sentence. Trees aren't absorbing CO2. In the affirmative form, it will become trees are absorbing CO2. In the interrogative form, are trees absorbing CO2? Question mark. Sentence number 3, she's watching a movie at this moment. In the negative form, she is not watching a movie at this moment. She is not. Okay, full stop. And if I want to make it a question, is she watching a movie at this moment and question mark. The last sentence, we aren't going to school. In the affirmative form, we are going to school. And in the interrogative or the question form, are we going to school? Question mark. And it could have another answer for the question form. Are you going to school? And the last sentence that we have, are you doing your homework now? In the negative form, let's see, where's the mouse? Okay, here it is. Are you doing your homework now? I am doing my homework now. Or we are doing our homework now. Let's go to the negative form. I am not doing my homework now. Or we are not doing our homework now. And why we have two answers in here? Because I asked with you, and you could come in the singular form, such as أنت. That's why I answered the first answer. I am doing my homework now. And it could become plural للسؤال هل أنتم. That's why I answered we are doing our homework now. With these exercises, I will be done with my second part of revision, and hope you guys understand the lesson. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me, and I will be glad to answer you guys. You have a nice day, stay safe, and God bless you.